the closest way to come close to the God?
The wish, the sincerity of purpose, and the deeds which lead to God. Again, if you want to be close to God, don't do what He doesn't dislike, what He doesn't dislike. You see, the best love of God is to avoid all those things which will not let you go closer to God. As if you love somebody, your sweetheart, if she demands and asks you to leave cigarettes, to leave a bad habit, to leave this or that, if you love her, you will certainly drop that bad habit. Similarly, if you want to go closer to God, then you must know what Quran says about His love, His consideration. And the next is, don't consider anybody else more important than Almighty Allah, and try to miss Him like you miss your beloveds. Try to love Him more than anything you love in your life. Baki, but rest of the things are processes, and you must, if you don't know anything, you must be guided by somebody who has already done the way. But then the way must be very clear. You are not looking for people, you are looking for your purpose. And if somebody does guide you and you don't reach your purpose, then drop him. You are not supposed to follow blindly everywhere. Keep in your mind what is your purpose of life. If your purpose of life is God, then you will certainly reach Him, whatever the height.